Are you thinking about selling your home as is? This sounds simple, right? Well, not so fast. This can actually backfire if you're not strategic about how you go about this. Let me explain. What does selling as is really mean? In California, the standard purchase agreement, it already states that the home is sold as is, but there's a catch. Buyers still have the right to inspect the property and to negotiate repairs or even walk away. So marketing a home as is might send a wrong message, especially if it's not a true fixer. When selling as is really works. If you have a property that needs major repairs, I'm talking about foundation issues or outdated systems or a full remodel. It makes sense. Buyers are looking for these types of projects and there are plenty of buyers out there. When I don't recommend it. For a typical sale, advertising as is can scare buyers away. It puts doubt in their minds before they even see the home. First-time buyers especially, they may assume that there's something seriously wrong with the house, and instead, it's often better to price the home competitively and let the buyers do their due diligence. Providing pre-listing inspections. Some sellers provide an inspection up front, and this is okay in some cases, but here's the downside. In many cases, buyers will still want to do their own inspection. They trust their people. Their inspector may find different issues leading to renegotiations. If the buyer were to cancel for any reason whatsoever, you as the seller now have multiple reports highlighting problems and repairs that are needed. And you're obligated to present these inspection reports to all prospective buyers. The new buyer would then review these reports and they won't have an inspector guiding them line by line and letting them know what's typical of this age of a home. Can you see how this could potentially scare a new buyer? The bottom line is every home is different. If you're in San Diego and you're thinking about selling your home and you're wondering what makes more sense for you and your home, let's talk. I'll walk you through the best strategies to maximize your sales price. DM me or call me today.